Good morning, students. Already explained many of the problems which are related to simple equations. That means linear equation in one variable. Okay, next sum. A and B together can finish a piece of work in 12 days. So this is time and work sum. So if you have this type of sums in your examination, you should convert it to 1 day's work. That means 12 days work converting into 12 parts. In 1 day, that completed only one part out of 12 part. Okay. So if A alone can finish the same work in 20 days. Okay, both of them together, that means A and B included, both are together can finish the work in 12 days. At same work, A alone, A single, okay, can finish the same work in how many days? 20 days. Okay, so what do you want? We want to find same work can finish B alone in how many days? Okay, very simple question. I explain very simple manner. Okay, in any way, if you have time and work sums, you should convert into 1 day's work. Okay, solution. A and B can do finish a work in how many days? 12 days. So both of them can finish a work in 12 days. Now we have to find out 1 day's work, both of them together. So that means A plus B's 1 day work. So out of 12 parts, in one part completed in 1 day. That means 1/12 part completed. Okay, so A plus B's 1 day work equal to 1/12 part. So if you have this type of sums in your examination, you should convert into 1 day's work. Okay, so both of them can do finish a work in 12 days, but in 1 day, out of 12 parts, one part is completed. As well as A alone, that means single, can finish a work in 12 days, in 20 days. So A alone can finish the same work in 20 days. Okay, that means A's 1 day work. So out of 20 parts, A completed in 1 day 1/12 part. But what do you want? You want to find B alone can finish the same work in how many days? Okay, very simple question. You have to subtract A plus B 1 day work minus A work. Okay, A plus B's 1 day work minus A work. Okay, both of them cancel. You get B's 1 day work. That means you get B's 1 day work. With the help of that work, we have to find out how many days that taken by B alone can finish that work. Okay, so what do you want? B alone can finish the work in 1 day. So in 1 day, A alone can finish the work in 1 day. Okay, equal to how many parts? You have to find out the parts. Okay, that means A plus B's 1 day work minus A's 1 day work. So that means A plus B minus A plus A minus A cancel, that equal to B. That means B's alone 1 day's work you get with the help of the subtraction of A's work from A plus B's work. Okay, that equal to A plus B's 1 day's work equal to 1/12 minus A's 1 day's work equal to 1 by 20. Okay, so we have to find out the LCM of the denominators. 12 and 20 LCM both are divisible by 4. Okay, 4 3s are 4 5s are 5 3s are 15, 15 4s are 60. 60. So 12 how much is 60? 5s are. So 5 into 1 5 minus 20 how much is 60? 3s are. 3 into 1 3. That equal to 2 by 60. 2 1s are 2 30s are. So B alone can finish the work in 1 day equal to 1 by 30. So out of 30 parts in 1 day, the B completed that work in 1 part only. That means total time, total days taken by the B alone can finish the total work equal to how many days? 30 days. Here that denominator indicates how many days taken by the B alone can finish the same work. Okay, therefore B alone can finish the same work in how many days? 30 days. In 30 days. Okay.